A sample of a gas in a cylindrical chamber with a movable piston occupied a volume of 6.414 liters when the pressure was 850 torr and the temperature was 27.2 degrees Celsius. The pressure was readjusted to 4,423 torr by moving the piston. What was the volume occupied by the sample under the new conditions? If the temperature remained constant throughout. Temperature remained constant throughout, ignore it. So we're going to cross it off immediately. Does not come into play in this problem. This is now a Boyle's Law problem. We are given initial conditions. Our first sentence gives us our initial conditions for our gas in our cylinder. The second sentence I will highlight in yellow is going to be our final conditions. So I'll make a point here. This will be our final conditions. So since Boyle's law comes into play, Boyle's law is simply P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. And again, our left variables are going to be our initial, and the ones with the subscript 2 on the right are going to be our final gas conditions. So now it's just a matter of assigning values to the four variables. Let's list them here on the side: P1, V1, P2, and V2. So our initial conditions, the first sentence, V1 is 6.414 liters. P1 is 850.0 torr. Pressure for our final condition was 4,423 torr, and they're asking us for the final volume, so we'll put a question mark by V2. So V2 is our unknown. This is what we're solving for, so we got to do some algebra. So let's do the algebra. So V sub 2 is going to be equal to P1 V1 over P2. And now we simply substitute everything in. So for P1 we have 850 torr. We do not have to convert the pressure to atmospheres. As long as P1 and P2 have the same pressure units, we're fine. And we do have that situation in this case. V1, our initial volume, 6.414 liters. And downstairs P2, 4,423 torr. So we see our units of torr do cancel. We're left with our volume unit liters, which of course is what we're looking for. And now we do the math on that, and we get a final volume V2 is equal to 1.233 liters, and we do have four significant figures on that number. All four of the numbers in our calculation have four significant figures.